Welcome to our honest review of Shipstation, one of the most popular shipping software solutions for e-commerce businesses. In this video, we'll explore the main features and tabs, discuss the pros and cons, and help you decide if Shipstation is the right choice for your business. Let's get started. Shipstation is an all-in-one shipping and order management platform designed to help e-commerce businesses streamline their shipping process. It integrates with major marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and WooCommerce, allowing users to manage orders, print shipping labels, and automate workflows from a single dashboard. When you visit Shipstation, you'll find a clean and easy-to-navigate interface. Let's take a closer look at its key sections. Orders. Manage all your shipments. The Orders tab is where all your incoming orders are displayed. You can check import orders from multiple marketplaces automatically, edit, combine, or split orders. Apply bulk actions for quick processing. This tab helps sellers save time by managing all orders in one place. Shipments. Track and organize your packages. The Shipments tab lets you track all shipped orders in real time. You can view shipping history and delivery status, filter by carrier, date, or order type, reprint shipping labels, or create return labels. This feature is great for keeping an organized record of all past shipments. Rates. Compare shipping costs. One of Shipstation's biggest advantages is its discounted shipping rates. In the Rates tab, you can checkmark. Compare rates across major carriers, USPS, FedEx, UPS, DHL, and more. Get pre-negotiated discounts to save on shipping costs. Print shipping labels directly from the platform. If you want to cut down on shipping expenses, this tool is a huge benefit. Automation. Set up rules for efficiency. The Automation tab lets you create custom shipping rules to speed up order processing. You can assign default carriers and shipping services based on order details. Set up automatic email notifications for customers. Auto-print labels for certain order types. This feature is perfect for businesses handling high order volumes. Pros. Multi-channel integration. Works with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more. Discounted shipping rates. Save money on major carriers. Automation features. Reduce manual work and improve efficiency. Cloud-based. Access your account from anywhere. Cons. Pricing. Monthly fees may be expensive for small businesses. Learning curve. Some users find the interface overwhelming at first. Limited free plan. Only a free trial is available, not a permanent free tier. Final verdict. If you're an e-commerce seller looking to streamline shipping, save money, and automate workflows, Shipstation is a fantastic option. However, if you're a small business with a tight budget, you might want to explore cheaper alternatives. That's our honest review of Shipstation. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.